Some Seneca merchants have won a big court battle to resume selling cigarettes over the internet. News 4's Al Vaughters has been following the court decision, and he joins us now with how this will affect the Senecas. Al?
Well, Jackie, the U.S. Second Circuit Court of Appeals in New York City today upheld a restraining order issued by Judge Richard Arcara here in Buffalo. It says the portion of the government's PACT Act limiting the sale of cigarettes by phone and the internet might be unconstitutional.
The consequences were essentially that the client would be put out of business.
Buffalo attorney Lisa Coppola is one of the lawyers handling the case for more than 140 tobacco retailers from the Seneca Nation of India that sell and ship cigarettes across the country. The Senecas challenged the PACT Act, signed by President Obama last year, because it requires them to obey the tax laws of every state where they ship cigarettes, a nearly impossible task.
I can't tell you, as a lawyer here in New York State, what the laws in Arizona say, or what the ordinances in Phoenix, Arizona say.
U.S. District Court Judge Richard Arcara granted the Seneca businesses a restraining order from the tax provisions, which was appealed by the government in 42 states, including New York. Coppola also says the ruling comes at a time when many Seneca businesses are cutting back on the sale of their national brand tobacco products because they're forced to pay the sales tax on them. Coppola says the Seneca businesses are selling their own brands of cigarettes without New York's tax stamp on them.
To, once again, stamp those packs of cigarettes. Our client is not participating in that system at the present time.
Now, other portions of the PACT Act are still in place, including the ban on shipping cigarettes through the U.S. Postal Service. The major shipping companies, such as Federal Express and UPS, have signed their own agreements refusing to ship cigarettes across state lines. Al Vaughters, News 4 at 5:30.